Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me in this session. And in that brief short session, it's an overview about Google Meet. So once you logged into your Google account, you can, this one from the way, I'll move it back. Then you can click here and go to Google Meet. So it's a platform for video conference for free. Total duration is 1 hour. So if your meeting is longer than that, you will need to have like 2 links or 2 meetings to be set up, or just restart the meeting again. So once you click, it will open this nice screen. And here you have option. The first one, if you are joining a meeting, so you need to enter a code or the link here. Otherwise, you will create a new meeting. So you click and you have 3 options. First one, create a meeting for later. So if you click, this will just create the link. All you need to do is copy this link and send it by email or WhatsApp or normal message to a group of people or to the one you want to meet, and tell them to log in, for example, tomorrow at 7 p.m. So tomorrow at 7 p.m. you start the meeting, then you can let others join the meeting. So this is the first option, straightforward option. Just a moment. Second option here, start an instant meeting. So if you click, this will immediately start a meeting. So now we started a meeting here, and of course you can use your webcam and mic. Then you can add others or copy and message, or text, SMS, whatever. You can also click to add others by emails. So this is the second option, and I'll go back. Third option will be schedule in Google Calendar, and when you click, it will open your Google Calendar. You need to add a title for this meeting, let's say test 1, and time, date and time. So let's say tomorrow at 6:30 to 7:30. You can change time zone. You can also repeat daily or weekly on Wednesdays, because this meeting, it starts on Wednesday. So that's why it's suggesting to start on Wednesday. It can be all day from 12 a.m. till 12 or 11:59 p.m. Here, you put the event details like location, the notification there. You can change the color. You can add guests here also by using emails, their emails, and you add the guests. Then you can add some details or description. You can attach some files, photos, meeting agenda, minutes of meeting from previous meetings, action items, and so forth. Also, you are giving some guest permissions here. So you can enable guests to modify the event or invite others and see guest list. You can, of course, disable that. So now I will click on save. Once I clicked on save, I will find this window with few options like send, don't send, back to editing. So don't send means it will, the meeting will be saved to my Google Calendar, but I'm not sending any invitations. Here, I will send the invitation to the email I added. Back to editing if I need to change something. So I'll click on send. Then tomorrow, I have the meeting in my calendar here. Once you click on that, it will give me the option to change this meeting. I can copy the conference link here or click on this one. I can email guests with something. If the person will get yes, no, maybe, I might create a meeting and I'm not attending. I'm busy, so this meeting will be for some people. They meet together, my team, they will meet together, or they don't need me to attend. So I can still create the meeting and not attending. Anyway, easily you can, if you click here, it will open to email the guests. So you can add other emails or copy emails, this email to somewhere else. I can send a copy to myself and wait for their responses. I can put a message here up to 2,400 letters. So this is in brief how to create and share meetings. Once you click, it will open your mic and webcam for students or participants to watch you while you are explaining something and so forth. Please feel free to ask questions, and thank you for your time.